Hi and welcome to this tutorial where I'll teach you how to create a group chat in Snapchat in 2022. So first off, we want to go to our chats, which is the second option right here. And from here, we want to go to the bottom right corner and select on the little message icon. So if we click on it right here, we get the option to either write to one person or we can create a group, as you can see right here, with up to 100 friends. So we want to click on this option right here, new group. And here's where you select the people you want to add to the group. So for example, I'm going to add this person and this one as well. And as you can see, after you've selected two people, you get the option to chat with group. So I'm going to press on it. And as you can see, you have officially created a group. You can name it by pressing on this little pencil icon. You can name it whatever you'd like, or if you write something, both of the people or how many people you have entered will receive the message. So that is how you create a group chat on Snapchat. Thank you for watching, leave a like and sub, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.